Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Tuesday. It's August the 21st, 2012. We'll be looking at United Technologies Corporation, ticker symbols UTX. Let me get the tools right here. Okay, here's your ticker symbol right there. We've been watching the markets for a while now and seeing them being a little bit overextended, but we didn't want to jump in there too early. We wanted to wait for a particular signal, and that particular signal formed today, which means it's going to find that particular signal all over a whole bunch of individual companies out there, because they will be doing the exact same thing. So when you're looking at that situation, this is the signal that I'm looking for. Now in this particular case, we saw this one form yesterday, but I don't like to necessarily jump on them in those cases. I want to see confirmation. The following day should be confirmation. If the following day gives me a lower low point on this candlestick compared to the previous, which we obviously have here, and as well as a lower high, which we again have here. So that's the confirmation situation that I would look for, confirming the shooting stars being a peaking sign. You start to sell off. You start to see lower lows. Okay, so this is all right to me. We also have the ultimate oscillator up there above the 70 line. Ultimate oscillator runs above the 70 line. It typically bounces off of that, and you get an overbought situation, and you get a little pullback. That's what typically happens. So to find one here doesn't really surprise me either. What would I do with this? I would actually look for a short situation here. Anything from today's low or higher, as long as she remains within this range right here. Anything in here I would short. This little blue line right here, that's indicating where I set my stop at 81. What was today's high? 80. That's not the one I need. I need to clear that up for a second. Hang on a second. 81.19 is the high point that we're basing our stop loss limit on. So our stop will be 1 cent above that at 81.20. So that's the actual situation that I'd be trading there as a short. Looking for a little pullback here. It's still a situation where you could still see a little move to the upside here, and I'd be shorting that as long as she remained under this line right here. Where would I look for a little gain to be made? I'd be looking for her to pull back down to support. This is the previous high here, 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 here. Here, that was resistance. Now we've broken out of that, so we're going to start to see support there. So look for a little pullback to the 77 area, basically at this 200-day moving average. I'd start looking for that to find support, and I'd be tightening up my stop, basically taking the stop loss limit that was way up here and moving it way down here to lock in my gain. If you've not been to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. We have a market analysis video coming out in a few moments. Hope you watch that. God bless. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.